Hello everyone. Today I thought I'd talk about the Banana Pro. It's by a company called LeeMaker. So just to go over the interfaces real quick here, we have GPIO pins, and then microphone, and 3.5mm headphone jack for audio out. Here we have infrared receiver, and then USB 2.0 gigabit. And then here we have the UDART interface, and then U-Boot and DisplayPort. Here we have HDMI 1.4 alpha, and then SATA 2.0, and then micro USB for power, and then JTAG for battery backup. Here we have USB micro 2.0, and then the reset and power. Here's the for the camera. On the bottom, a micro SD, and then this is the AP6181 Wi-Fi module, and there's the SMC connector. Cortex A20 all-winner tech. It's 1 gigahertz at dual core, and then DDR3 1600. So that's the layout of the board, and we'll do some benchmark tests, see how it goes. Okay, so first I want to describe the configuration of the storage, because that will vary, especially for the Banana Pro. The Banana Pro has a SATA connector. For these tests, I used a SanDisk Extreme Pro SD card, 16 gigabyte. The link will be down in the description, and I'll start describing these graphs here. So the first benchmark that I did was OpenGL, and it did frames per second, which was pretty slow. It did 3.58. Now realize we'll compare this to other boards, but for this board, for the Banana Pro, it did 3.58. And then the second graph below here, it was compile, and it did megabytes per second, which more is better. So it did 9.95. And then the initial create benchmark, the third graph down, it did 8.88. Now the recompile tree, it did 12.59. And we'll move on to the next. Lame MP3 encoding, gzip compression, and FLAC audio encoding. So for a WAV to MP3, it took 159 seconds. For gzip compression, 2 gigabyte file, seconds less is better, took 113 seconds. FLAC audio encoding, WAV to FLAC, it took 308 seconds. And stay tuned for more boards to come. Check out my Facebook group, Linux Development Boards. I will be doing the next benchmarks for the PCDuino, the Odroid C1, and the Hummingboard by SolidRun. Have a good day, guys, and please subscribe.